To clean the main brush in Tikom L8000, first of all we'll need to remove the cover and take out our main brush. So I'm gonna do it quickly like this, and then when we have the brush in our hands, I wouldn't recommend using any kind of water on it or any specifics like watery substances to clean it. If you want to clean it properly, I would just grab some cloth or even your hand, depending on how dirty it is, and then put it above the trash bin or something like that and just slide it like that. The reason behind why I'm not recommending to use water is that the dust will settle in the brush. I forgot the word for it, but dust will settle around the brush beginning, and then it will become very stale if you use water. So don't use water, just clean it with your hand or some towel. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.